In industrial environments, the line between a normal workday and a tragedy is sometimes separated by a small moment of complacency. Just 1 second, this phrase becomes haunting when you witness what happens next. The video shows a worker operating beside a large industrial paper rolling machine. While the machine is running at high speed, instead of using tools or stopping the machine, the worker uses his bare hands to adjust the paper edge or remove excess paper near the rotating rollers. The incident happens in a flash when part of the worker's sleeve or hand is caught in the gap between the rotating rollers. The extremely strong pulling force of the high-speed machine drags his entire body inside within an instant. Centrifugal pulling force. Industrial rolling machines generate immense force. Once trapped, human strength cannot resist. Safety distance violation. Directly handling moving parts is a fatal mistake. Pinch point. The rollers create dangerous pinch points without protective guards. Never use bare hands. Always completely stop the machine, lockout, tagout, before performing maintenance or adjustment. Proper clothing. Do not wear loose clothing, long sleeves, or loose hair near machines with rotating parts. Install safety guards. All rolling machines must have auto shut-off sensors or protective barriers at hazardous contact points. In construction, the line between a productive workday and a serious accident can sometimes be nothing more than a fragile wooden plank. A worker is pushing a wheelbarrow full of sand across a narrow wooden board placed over an open swimming pool under construction. The plank bends and becomes unstable under the weight of the worker and materials, while both ends are not secured firmly to the ground. As the wheelbarrow reaches the center of the plank, vibration and concentrated weight cause the board to lose balance and slip off its support, throwing both the worker and the equipment into the deep pit below. The technical failure lies in an improper, temporary walkway design. A single plank cannot handle the load, lacks safe width, and has no anti-slip measures or end fixation. Always use a solid work platform when working at height or near dangerous openings. Never take shortcuts or rely on temporary materials at the cost of your personal safety. I also have to feel what she's feeling. We can see two men standing with her, attempting a sandbag throw challenge. Both men easily throw the bag over, but unfortunately for her, physical strength has limits. The sandbag barely moves, falls straight down, and the accident happens immediately. The lesson here is simple. Do not attempt physical challenges beyond your capability. Always assess the risk before trying something potentially dangerous. A situation that seems simple while moving equipment inside a workshop turned into an unexpected accident in just a split second. At a garment factory, 4 workers were carrying a large, heavy panel, possibly a cutting table surface down from a high storage rack. Because the panel was bulky and heavy, the group had to manually lift it in a tight space, surrounded by clothing racks and equipment. As the panel was lowered halfway, coordination broke down. One worker at the far side lost balance, causing the weight to shift suddenly forward, crushing down toward the worker in the blue shirt and another nearby colleague. The accident happened due to manual handling of oversized loads without proper lifting equipment such as a hoist or lifting device. The lack of clear leadership resulted in uneven force distribution, leading to loss of control over the load's center of gravity. Always use mechanical lifting tools for bulky materials. Wear safety helmets and keep the work area clear, so workers can react quickly if a heavy object slips or falls. Working near heavy machinery always carries unpredictable risks if attention is lost even for a few seconds. Inside a production workshop, a female worker bends down to clean or inspect the area under a large machine. At the same time, the machine is running in automatic mode, with a vertical pressing component moving as part of its cycle. While she is still underneath, the massive press slowly descends. With no warning system and no visual awareness, she becomes trapped between the moving part of the machine and the floor. The accident occurred due to entering a danger zone while the machine was still operating. The equipment lacked light curtain sensors to stop automatically when someone entered the area, and the worker did not perform lockout, tagout, low-tow before inspecting the machine. Never place your body inside an active machine area without full power isolation. Factories must install safety guards and automatic stop sensors to protect workers from dangerous mechanical movement. A routine industrial maintenance task can turn into a disaster within seconds if pressure is not properly controlled. Two workers are standing on an elevated platform inside a chemical plant near large reaction tanks. One worker bends down to inspect bolts or connection joints on top of the tank, while the other stands directly behind him. Both are wearing protective gear, but they appear unaware of the internal pressure risk. Suddenly, a loud explosion erupts from the top of the tank. Extreme built-up pressure breaks the tank cover, releasing a violent blast of gas and material upward. The worker leaning nearby is launched into the air like a projectile by the powerful force. The incident is caused by rapid pressure release. A faulty safety valve or incomplete depressurization procedure may have allowed energy to accumulate, which violently discharged when a mechanical weak point failed. Always follow pressure verification procedures and ensure equipment is fully depressurized before loosening any connected components. Install protective shields and maintain a safe distance when working around high-pressure equipment. Workshop environments always carry serious risks from automated machinery when safety procedures are not strictly followed. Inside a mechanical workshop, a group of workers gathers around a large vertical turning lathe VTL. One worker stands very close to the rotating chuck to adjust or inspect the workpiece, while others observe from nearby. Suddenly, an object is violently ejected from the machine operating at high speed, striking one of the workers and causing everyone to panic and scatter. The incident happens so quickly that nearby workers are left shocked, immediately stopping the machine to help. The accident may have occurred because a loose object or improperly clamped workpiece was thrown out by centrifugal force. The lack of protective shielding and workers standing too close to the danger zone while the machine was running led directly to the impact. Always install and use protective guards when operating machine tools. Maintain a safe distance and never perform manual adjustments until the machine has completely stopped. A workplace accident involving rotating machinery was captured on camera. The video shows the moment a worker becomes entangled in a stainless steel coil. The victim can be seen slowly spinning as the machine starts operating. This is a harsh reminder of the extreme danger of working around rotating equipment without proper safety precautions. A man became trapped in a machine while working. Let's watch this video to see what happened.
Ela não vai, pô. Pois é, pô, ela não vai, pô. Puta que pariu. Acontece, pô.